What's up folks, welcome back to the channel. If you have watched my earlier battery video, check the link. You know that I have a poor battery here in my Volvo, and I will show you in this video how I changed the battery for this XC70. But before that, I will tell you a short story what has happened today and yesterday. Now it's a Monday evening, and I made the last battery video yesterday evening, so it was a Sunday when I tried to start this car, but it didn't start. The battery was dead, and I have the charger and I recharged the battery, and then I managed to start the car and so I took some businesses or errands in Sunday, and now it's a Monday, and tomorrow morning, Tuesday, I have to start like 5 a.m. I have a work meeting very early, so I have to start very early. So I decided that, well, I have to change the battery today in Monday evening. And I went to my working place today, and I had my charger, and I managed to charge the battery after when I started from work. So I had a fully charged battery, and I went to the shop where I bought the new battery, and after I came out from the shop and tried to start the car, it didn't start at all. And there I was sitting in my car with a new battery in my boot, thinking what I'm going to do, how I get back home. I didn't have any tools. I had my working clothes, suit and shirt, and I thought that big fix in the parking lot is not the thing I'm needing at the moment. So I used like 2 or 3 minutes, and I just realized that, well, they have starting cables also in that shop. So I went there, found cheapest starting cables, and I used them and my new battery and started the car, and here we are back home happily, but it took a little bit longer I expected. But now in this video I show you how I changed the new battery to my XC70. I watched one good YouTube video, so I think I know in theory how should I do this job. I just need a screwdriver and a 10mm socket. And first I will open this cover, and then I take this seal off, or just remove it a little bit. Then I use my screwdriver. I will open that screw, and then I can lift the cover off, and after that you can see the whole battery. Then there is a sensor for the battery. I released the wires from ground post and positive post, and then I will disconnect the battery, and the battery bracket 10mm bolt is down there. I will open that, and after that I think it's possible to pull the battery out, and I will put the new battery back in, and then all things in reverse. So first I will connect the battery, first the positive and then the negative, and then the sensor cables, then this cover, then this seal, and this cover, and after that it should be ready. And after that we will use my multimeter, and we will check that the battery is in good condition. So in theory this should be very easy job, and it will take like 5 minutes or less. Oh yes, now I have connected my multimeter and the new battery gives 12.55, which is nice. Okay. And the last battery, when I started, the voltage went down to the 7 something, so it's way too low. If the voltage goes under 10, then the battery is quite gone already, and I hope so. Now when I start, I hope the voltage will stay over 10. But before that, because this is a battery straight from shop, I will charge it a little bit. I will connect the charger and you will see when the voltage comes up, and I let it be like 10 to 15 minutes and then we will start. And then we can, I hope we can say that this new battery is much better than the older one, but I'll be back. Now it has been charging a moment with 14.2, which is nice. And next I will disconnect the charger and the voltage will drop a little bit. I let it drop because then we will get a little bit more realistic picture of that battery. I think it won't drop to 12.6, but it might drop somewhere between 12 and 13, and then I will start and we will check the voltage, and I hope it will stay a lot above 10, but we will see that soon. Now it's charging 14.7 almost, and everything seems to be okay. It started right away. I checked from video that it dropped to 10.94 or something, 10.9. So it was way over 10, so it's looking good. I think I just have to charge that battery again to make sure that it's fully charged. So I think this project was a success. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and comments down below. That would be a great. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that. And also remember to ring the bell to get the notifications when the new video comes out. Thanks for watching and see you soon.